In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of your site on Wix. If you've outgrown your current web address or simply want a fresh start with a new one, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website, and if you haven't already done so, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the My Sites dashboard. This is your control center on Wix, where you can manage all of the sites you're working on. It's neatly organized and easy to navigate, so you should find this part straightforward. Next, take a moment to locate the site you intend to change. You might have several sites listed, so make sure to hover your mouse over the specific site you want to modify. As you hover over it, you'll notice an icon appearing, typically resembling a drop-down menu or three dots, often found at the top right corner of the site box. Go ahead and click on this Site Actions icon. It's basically a shortcut to various management tasks for your site. And it's here where we can start the renaming process. After clicking the icon, a menu will appear with different options. What you're looking for is the Rename Site option. Click on it, and it will direct you to a new window where you can input your desired changes. Now comes the crucial part: entering your new site address, or URL, in the site address field. This part is significant because your URL is what people will type into their browsers to visit your site. So choose something memorable and easy to spell. Remember, the URL is part of your brand's identity, so it's worthwhile to take a moment to ensure it reflects what your site is all about. Finally, let's seal the deal. Once you've entered the new site address, simply locate the Save button, usually in a prominent spot on the page, and click it. This action will update your site's free URL to the new one you've just specified. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Wix site's URL. It's a simple process, but one that can have a big impact on how users find and interact with your website. This change will automatically take effect, but it's always a good idea to double-check that everything looks just right on your end. Make sure to update any links you've shared elsewhere, and enjoy your site's new digital address. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more.